Here is why this is different from any investment talk you have ever heard or seen. Do you know that palm oil is already a $70 billion global industry projected to hit $100 billion by 2032? Now, over 3 billion people use palm oil products daily. Yet, Africa supplies less than 5% of global demand. Their gap is our good mind, and you need to become a stakeholder today in this industry. The revolution is already happening in Africa. It's not noisy, it's not flashy, but it's changing destiny. Guess what it is? Palm oil. Yeah, once seen as a humble crop, is now emerging as one of the most reliable wealth vehicle in agro investment. From creating generational income streams to powering entire communities, the ripple effects are undeniable and unbeatable. Yeah, it is not hype, it's not theory. It's a blueprint built on real numbers, real demands, and real land. Oil palm isn't just another crop. It's the beating heart of the $70 billion global industry, one that feeds, fuel, and sustains billions of lives every day. And right now, Africa shares it's far smaller than it should be. Like I've told you before, Africa supplies just 5% of this demand. The gap, it's the opportunity. We would like to show you the exactly how to position yourself in this market where demand is certain, returns are secured, and impact is generational. And this is why we are very intentional in giving you the best real estate investment opportunity in the markets. Yes, you know what we do? Always giving you the best real estate investment opportunity in the market. And I am introducing to you the Palm Rich Estate. I've shown you so many, and I've brought this to your face, to your table, so that you can jump in and be part of those investors that are reaping the effect of this global industry. Now, this is the Iluasheri Palm Rich Estate Phase 8, located in Abeokuta, Ibese Road. Just proximity to Dangote Refinery, Dangote Cement Depot, and Lafarge. Now, in this estate, we have a lot of land selling. Now, it's a city, a smart city in the future that has the agro boulevard where you can buy land and cultivate other crops that you want to, export or use for commercial purposes. We also have the resort where when you visit your farm, you can have a place to relax for good lifestyle. We have the commercial where you can acquire lands and build your commercial spaces for commercial use. We have the industrial, like this we have palm plantations here, so you can also come in and build your mill here, and it serves purpose for the farmers and investors here at the Palm Rich Estate. You can also build other. Then we have the residential where you can build houses when this place become developed. You can also sell it. Yeah, our residential plots are also available here selling. And we have the Palm Rich Estate, which is also selling. As you can see, we have done allocations to the investors that invested earlier on. So we buy, we allocate you. Now, the documents we give you here is your receipts, contract of sale, deed of assignment, survey, and allocation letter. These are the documents we give you once you are a subscriber to this amazing investment opportunity. The land is genuine, the business is stable. You can come, book inspections, and we'll bring you here for your viewings. Now, this is what we do here at Palm Ridge Estate, Phase 8. Now, you can hear more from the CEO or the GMD of Palm Ridge Estate, Phase 8.
The Palm Ridge project is simple and the steps are not difficult at all. You simply own a portion of land, which is the most structured investment you can have. You own the land that we are standing on right now. And because development is still some years away from now, you can plant palms on it. And the palm trees will give you palm fruits. And these palm fruits will give you palm oil, palm kernel oil, and other byproducts that comes from them. Even this shuku, this thing that you are saying, this bunch, after removing all this fruit from it, they burn it and it becomes black soap. Diverse use with these trees. So why should you want to keep your land fallow instead of it being productive for you? That is the simplicity of this project. Like we said, this is simple, secured, and profitable for years. For 30 years, 50, 70 years, this entire plantation that you are seeing will continue fruiting and increasing the sizes of these bunches over the years. And as the sizes increase, your revenue increase also. Because when the size of these bunches are increasing, you get more oil, you get more kernel, you get more benefits from what you own in here. And don't forget, the land also keep appreciating into the future. For some of our landlords here who keyed into this project 3 years ago, they bought a plot for around 700,000. But today, we have landlords who are selling between themselves 4.5 million, 3.5 million, because land here has grossly appreciated. And guess what this place will be like 10 years from now? And in 10 years from now, you have even forgotten that you bought this place, because you will have made all the money you invested on this land. You'll have made it back from this palm oil, from this palm fruits. The Palm Ridge projects are spanned across 8 developments from phase 1, 2 to 3 that we are presently on, to phase 5 in Ibadan, to phase 4 and 6 and 7 in Adodo, and to phase 8 in Ewekoro. One of the best decisions you can make right now is just call us, get more details about this project, and see how you can own this profitable venture that can serve for your children's tuition, serve for your retirement plan, and create wealth for your family over the years. And to all our landlords who have keyed into this project, let me join our landlords who have keyed into this project. We are grateful. We have Pastor Jide all the way from France, with a lot of community from France who has, we've been in several webinars across board, and this project is spanning. To our own engineer Williams, our director, we appreciate your trust and the belief on this project. 3 years is not 3 days old. And today we are proud to come and show you the results of this project. Thank you so much for coming. And together we shall create sustainable wealth for Africa. Thank you.
Amen. People in France, most especially in Schengen zone, you can see this is live and direct. And this is not AI picture. I think you can see. You can see this is live and direct. So the webinar has gone. The another one is coming in the month of October, and it's going to be physical. So people in Schengen, from France, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Spain, Italy, Finland, Norway, Denmark, and other people, all the Schengens, you have to be there. We are going to announce the date, and I will let you know. This is just something that's real, and it's not a 419 that everybody's just here, this and that. You can see live and direct. People have been giving testimony. You can ask your brother in America, Canada, and UK, and they will tell you that this thing is real. It's not 419, it's not a scam. Asset rise is real. I think you can hear direct from Elijah. That's just my testimony.
So when you invest in this, if you are getting 1 acre, you get 60 of these seedlings planted for you for free. If you are getting 1 hectare, you have 150 of these seedlings planted for you for free. You also get 3 years free management where we do the fertilizing, nurturing, and again supervising of the farm for you. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget, here you can easily, while sitting at home, earn between 3 to 50 million naira depending on the number of hectares you are acquiring. For example, if you are going for 10 hectares, you can easily earn 40 to 50 million naira annually. So what are you waiting for? Call us right now.